Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This video is just a video about grooming. A lot of times we don't groom the locks, we just let them grow and they're fuzzy. So here I'm not trimming them, I'm just taking the fuzz off of them because they get fuzzy over a while. So you might have to groom them a few times during the course of the year. This guy's been coming to me for quite a long time. And also, sometimes you might just have to groom the roots because the hair is so long. The roots are a little fuzzy to keep them nice and clean, nice and perfect. Enjoy.
Contemplating what we can be, want to have you to myself. I don't need nobody else. Bump on the grind, let's dirty wine. Hypnotized by the look in your eyes. Feel my body full of richness when you give me all your kisses. We're like the sun and the moon blend sequence. I'm mesmerized by your touch, so frequent and still provoked since we first met. Love so strong, it's a light tight grip, but no destruction connected by the soul. Got my mind under control. I think of you all the time. No, I can't get you off my mind. I've been thinking about you. 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 I've been thinking about you.
Hey, please like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a couple of friends, and if you have anything you want to see, any filming about locks or what you need in terms of a lesson, let me know, and I will try to reproduce it on screen.
Love the way you make your body move to the melody. How you sway on the beat, work it like a
In this section, I am grooming the client's locks, and I also see a part of her lock that needs repair. So as I'm grooming it, I put a clip on it. When I'm touching it like that to see where it's weak, I put a clip on it and continue grooming, and I come back later and repair that lock. So I'll show you a video on how to do lock repairs as well. We appreciate you and thank you for watching.